Want to know how to see your Wish wallet balance in wish.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your wish.com application, and you can also open up your website, so the choice is yours. And once you have done that, here you should be seeing your profile on the top right side, so make sure you're logged in as well. So you can just simply hover on it or select it, and once you have done that, here you should be provided with various options. So what you need to do is just simply select Wish Cash right here. So this should so your current Wish balance, so right here you should be seeing, and you can also know more by selecting it, and you can also see its terms and conditions and FAQs. So you can also see all the options like spot, transaction, date, and your entire history of the transactions that you've made. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and remain with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.